UX design is one of the most in-demand job skills in 2023 and 2024, with over 2.2 million jobs being generated in one single year. Yes, UX and UI design are not just visuals and beautiful aesthetics. It is also about understanding the users and solving their problems properly. This course by iJaipuria is going to take you through every aspect of UX design, all the steps you need to take to create a successful project. I will give you hands-on instructions as well as practical approach to UX and UI design, how we in the industry truly do it, and what you really need to start your career in UX and UI design. This course also includes a bonus track for artificial intelligence and how you can use AI in design. This course will set you onto a roadmap to a successful career in UX UI design, covering all the basics, fundamentals, as well as crucial practical knowledge you need to complete a project. By the end of this course, you will have one app design for an e-commerce platform, which you can then present online or to the recruiters who might want to recruit you. As a part of this course, you will understand how to do proper user research. If you are ready to transform your UI UX design career with me, you can sign up right now and get instant access to this course.